So here's what we got. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my face, but I'm pretty sure I can figure out something. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Danny, and today I made this video to kind of break from the mundane and the everyday that the quarantine has pretty much put on all of our lives. I can't even remember the last time I put on makeup because we can't go out anymore. I'm here in sunny South Florida to be. There's so much things to do to go out and be social and have fun and interact with people, but without that, it feels like I'm not even me right now, honestly. So to try to get back that feeling maybe a little, I wanted to just get some makeup on and give myself a photo shoot because I honestly miss it. I used to love putting on makeup, going out, taking pictures with my friends, but since that's not really an option right now, I could just bring it here at home. So right now I'm going to show you how I do self-portraits. I use either my T3i or I use my iPhone. I'm just going to use my iPhone to take these pictures. I'm just using the window light that I have and this blank wall. I am going to cheat a little. I do have a tripod, so I definitely want to utilize that. So to make things easier, I also have this wireless remote that I bought off of Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the description box, but yeah, I've had this for a while, so there's many other types on Amazon if I can't find the particular one that I bought. But yeah, it's a wireless remote shutter for mobile devices. Also, one more thing I'm going to use is a mirror because I want to use the back camera instead of the front camera because the back camera has a higher quality. So that I'm able to see how I'm positioned and the phone, I'm just going to put this behind and lean it up against something. So I'm just gonna play around with different angles, different shots, and also with my hair, and see how this goes. I'm also thinking about going outside. Not too sure yet, but we'll see. I probably should screen record this so you guys kind of know, like, you know, what I'm doing over here. So here's the device, but I'm also going to switch back and forth to probably time some of them because I want to be able to use both my hands. So let's see. See, like shots like this. You guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you, gave you some ideas for you to have some fun while you're indoors. Till next time, see ya.